Sthane sthita sutigatang tanuvang manovi. This is the instruction given by Lord Brahma and accepted by Lord Chaitanya. Sthane sthita. Let everyone remain in his position. A Brahmana, position means Chaturvarnam Maya system Gunakarma Vibhag, according to different qualities, goodness, passion, ignorance, there are different divisions of the society. Chaturvarna, the Brahma. The Brahmana means most learned. Most learned means one who knows the absolute truth. Brahma janati iti Brahma. So there must be a section of the learned. There must be a section of the administrator, Kshatriyas. There must be a section productive. And there must be a section worker. So Chaturvarnam Maya system Gunakarma Vibhagasa. The society must be divided by natural way. It is divided. The intelligent class, the administrator class, the productive class, and the worker class. And they should cooperate. Then the society is perfect. The same example, just like in your body, you have got divisions, the head division, the arms division, the belly division, and the leg division. It is not that leg is less important than the head, but head is most important. Without head, the arms, the belly, or the leg cannot work. So there should be cooperation. But the division must be there. This is the vision of Krishna and Krishna conscious person. They do not say it is false. They utilize everything for the purpose of Krishna. That is Krishna conscious. Most scientific and authorized movement, trying to place people in a original constitutional position and cooperate for the service of Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. And actually, when we release some mellow, rasa, that is called bhakti rasa. We are trying to explain bhakti rasamrita sindhu by Rupa Goswami. This is bhakti rasa. The leg is serving the body under some rasa. The hand is serving the body under some rasa. The brain is serving the body under some rasa. So similarly, that is natural division throughout the whole universe, anywhere, because the whole universe is being carried on by the three modes of material nature, goodness, passion, ignorance. And there are mixture also. There are three, goodness, passion, and ignorance. Just like there are three colors, yellow, red, and blue. And those who are artists, they mix these three colors and it becomes 9. And again the 9 into 9, it becomes 81. In this way, all these divisions, different forms of living entities, they are being conducted under some modes of material nature, either pure or mixture. And therefore we find so many varieties of living entities. 8,400,000 species of life. Form. 8,400,000. Jalajanam lakhani savara lakha vimshati. Himayu rudra sankhaka. Pakshinam dasalakhatam. In this way, there are 8,400,000 species of life, and Krishna claims Sarva Jonishu Kaunse. Sambhavanti. All these forms in different species of life, their mother is this material nature. And I am the seed-giving father. Aham bija pada pita. So Krishna, everyone, his son. Krishna does not say that the Indians are my sons or the Hindus are my sons. No, Krishna does not say. So Krishna cannot be a sectarian God. God is one. God is for Hindu, God is for Muslim, God is for any other religious sect. And The definition of religion is that the law given by God. That's all. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranita. Just like law means the code or the order given by the state. You cannot manufacture law at home. When the state gives something to the citizens, that you must follow this. That is law. It may be a very insignificant thing, but it is law. Just like when they go on the street, the law is, in this country, the law is kept to the left. In other countries, the law is kept to the right. In America, it is kept to the left.
Not so in China and Russia, I believe.
And they are different. You cannot say that I am accustomed to drive my car from the left side. Why shall I go to the right? No, the law is there. You have to abide by the law. Similarly, religion means the law given by Krishna, by God. That is religion. You cannot manufacture religion. Krishna's Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranita. Therefore, real religion is to surrender to Krishna. Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam. So actually, this Krishna consciousness movement is real religion. Everyone should follow this. Then he will be saved. Krishna assures, aham tva sarva papebhya moksha. People suffer out of ignorance. That is called papa, sin. Any criminal, mostly he does not know the real law. He commits something unknowingly, by ignorance, and he becomes subject of criminal punishment. Therefore, ignorance is sinful life. Ignorance. The people should be enlightened from ignorance. And that is real religion. One should be enlightened himself, and one should enlighten others also. And that is the mission of Krishna consciousness. This is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Bharat bhumite manusya janma hoila ja. Not the cats and dogs, animals. Manusya. On the land of Bharatvarsha, one who has taken his birth as a human being. This point is very important. Bharat bhumite manusya janma hoila ja. Janma sarthak kari karo paropoka. Because one can become successful in the mission of his life in India. Because the India, the real knowledge, Vedic knowledge is there. All the sages and great personalities of India, Vyasdev, he compiled all these Vedas for the enlightenment of the whole human society. So especially those who are born in India as human beings, they should take advantage of this knowledge. They should not manufacture knowledge. The knowledge is already there. Simply, one has to take it. Just like Bhagavad Gita. Everything is there already. We have to take it, accept it, and apply it practically in life and distribute the knowledge throughout the whole world. This is the mission of India.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti